I'm reading The Tortoise and the Bird. Why does the tortoise have a spike? A tortoise was resting under a tree on which a bird had built its nest. The tortoise spoke to the bird mockingly. "What a shabby home you have. It is made out of broken twigs, it has no roof, and looks crude." You're your house, turtle. A turtle's shell is its house. What's worse is that you had to build it yourself. I think my house, which is my cell, is better than your pathetic nest. What? It looks so comfy. Anything that is made with wood actually looks so comfy. Yes, it is made of broken sticks. It looks shabby and is open to the elements of nature. It is crude, but I built it and I like it.
I like it too.
I guess it's just like any other nest, but not better than mine, said the tortoise. You must be jealous of my shell, though.
Emma, why does the turtle have a spike? Why? Hurry.
The bird replied, "My home has space for my family and friends. Your shell cannot accommodate anyone other than you. Maybe you have a better house, but I have the better home," said the bird happily. The moral of the story: better a crowded hut than a lonely mansion. Bye! Rihaan, did you like the story?
Yep.
And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.